Woi, sikat. Woi. Main lo di sini.
Maaf bang, saya cuma baca buku baru.
Ngomong lu. Woi, duit mana? Duit.
Nggak ada bang.
Buka. Itu. Jam, buka jam.
Handphone mana? Handphone.
Jangan bang.
Ah, banyak bacot lu.
Jangan.
Mayan nih.
Wis, mantap nih bro.
Udah ada.
Tolong balik bang.
Yo. Ayo kita cabut. Awas saudara.
Lu gak apa-apa?
Nggak apa-apa.
Lu dari mana?
Saya dari Minang bang.
Lama di sini?
Saya udah lama di sini. Cuma saya lahir di Minang, saya keturunan Minang.
Hati-hati, hidup di Jakarta emang keras. Kalau bukan kita yang dimakan, kita yang makan orang.
Terima kasih bang sarannya. Saya lihat abang jago silat tadi.
Ya sih, kayaknya lo harus gua kenalin sama guru silat gua deh. Gua dari silat Harimau Minangkabau.
Abang dari Minang?
Ya,
Boleh saya bergabung untuk di silat abang?
boleh? Mungkin next time lo akan gua anterin tempat guru gua.
Terima kasih udah mau nolong.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.